Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Today I'm going to show you a healthy and super yummy breakfast recipe, chocolate pancakes. These pancakes are loaded with the goodness of oats, almonds and of course some unsweetened cocoa. They are very easy to make and like most of my dessert recipes, they are eggless, vegan, gluten and refined sugar free. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll grind some oats to make oat flour. We'll grind them till they turn into a fine powder. The oat flour is ready and now similarly we'll grind some almonds as well. The almond powder is ready and now I'm gonna add both of them in my larger blender. In goes oat flour, almond powder, we'll also add 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons Jaggery powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup soy milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon oil, about half teaspoon vanilla extract, and we'll give it a good blend till it's smooth and creamy. The pancake batter is ready and now we'll heat up around half teaspoon oil on a low to medium heated pan. Now we'll pour about 3 to 4 tablespoon pancake batter and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. When you see the bubbles forming up on top, flip the pancake and let the other side cook as well for around 2 minutes. Transfer the pancake in a serving plate and similarly make more pancakes. These soft and yummy pancakes are so delicious. They are perfect to start the day as they are packed with fiber, healthy fats and protein. Now we'll drizzle some pure maple syrup. I am pairing these pancakes with some mulberries, but feel free to garnish them with any seasonal fruit of your choice. And I also like to add some toasted pistachios. They add a nice crunch to these soft pancakes. And these healthy and yummy chocolate pancakes are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried healthy chocolate pancakes, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.